Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aditya, and in this video we'll be learning or understanding about operators in Dart, which is very easy. And one thing is that if you're coming from C++ or Python or Java like that, then these operators are very similar to them. You can just check out the increment and decrement operator if you're coming from Python, because there we don't have plus and minus. You can check that how it works, and after that you can go to the next video. If you're completely beginner to any programming language, or you're completely starting programming right now, you can just continue watching this video. So without wasting your time, let's get into the video. So guys, here as you can see, I have just a main method and I have written some operators in Dart. So here we have plus, minus, star, and this hash, forward slash, and then this percentage symbol, and then we have plus, minus, and we even have operators like plus, equals. And then these are similar to Python. You can I think you can guess it. In Python also we use like these operators for incrementing and decrementing. Okay, first let us start with the first operator, plus minus. So we'll not do these plus, minus, and star. Star is for multiplication. This is a very similar in mathematics. I think you can even understand them. So very simple operators. We'll start from division, because there are actually two types of division operators, the forward slash and percentage. So let us check out the difference between these two division operators. So I'll just write a simple print statement to check them. So let us divide 10 by 2, simple division. So 10 divided by 2. So we are using the first division operator, so this one. Then let's run this, open a new terminal. So terminal, and then click new terminal. And to run a program, always write this command dart, and then you write the file name main.dart. So press enter, and we got 5.0. So always remember that whenever you do whenever you do division, you are going to get the result in double value. So if you have not seen the data types, double is the data type which can be used to represent decimal values or fractional values. So when we divide, sometimes we are going to get a decimal value, or sometimes we might get a whole number, but still it shows us in a decimal value so that it can be more precise. Okay, the second operator is percentage symbol. So what does this thing do? So let me just replace that with percentage. So here percentage, and now let's run this again, and we see some difference. The percentage symbol gives us the answer as 0. So why is that? So when we were using only the forward slash, that time it was giving us the output of the output as quotient. So it is giving 2 divided by 10, that is 5 is the quotient. And when we were doing this percentage symbol, that time we are getting the remainder of the calculation. So when you divide, what you get the remainder, that time that is going to be printed. So suppose I keep it to 3, then we are going to get some remainder. So say, as you can see over here, we got remainder. If we search for the quotient, it will go on give me till infinity maybe. No, it doesn't. So as you can see, it is continuously dividing 3. So that was about these two division operators. So I think you know about these operators, the basic operators like plus, minus, star, and then forward slash and percentage symbol. Now let's move ahead and learn about these operators. So these are increment and decrement operators. So first these two, not these two. So this is increment operator and decrement operator. So for understanding this, I'll just create a variable. So I'll write int a, or I'll write int num1 equals 1, simple. And then here next we'll write num1, and what was the first operator? Plus. So we'll write plus and close the line, and again we'll print over here, print num1. And before that also, before doing the operator, increment operator, we'll also print again the num. So print num1 and close it. So I'll just clear this, and let's go here. So okay, so now go to the terminal, and as you can see, when we are printing for the first time without performing the increment operation, we are getting the same value as num1 what we assign to it. After incrementing, we are getting 2, so that is incrementing, so it always increments by 1. So this is useful when we are doing loops, which we'll be covering in the future also, so don't worry about that. We'll be doing that in loops, especially in for loops and while loops. There we use these increment operators. And same, you can even do minus minus. So let's run this again, and we are going to get 1 and 0, as you can see, minus minus. Okay, that's great. Now let us check this operator, or plus equals, minus equals, and we even have star equals also, like star equals, and then division equals. You can do pretty much everything, like all the 5 basic operators which are over here: plus equals, minus equals, star equals, forward slash equals, and percentage equals. So these all are represented, like if I write num plus equals now 10, so I'll write 10 and close it. This simply means that num1 equals num1 plus 10. So I think you're getting it. So here this simply represents as num1 is equal to num1 plus 10. In Python we actually don't have these plus and minus operators if you are coming from Python. So that time we use these. So we use these operators for incrementing. We'll just write. So when we replace it with 1, it will be like num1 is equal to num1 plus 1. So a lot of ones. So that was about these operators. You can even replace it with 1 minus. So I'll just replace plus with minus, and here it will just be replaced with minus. So here num1 equals num1 minus 1. That's actually a lot of nums. Okay, so we have covered some of the basic operators. I think you are very familiar with them right now, so that's not much complicated. It's very easy, nothing much there in this, just like simple operators, mathematical operators. But we, even in conditional statements, we'll be exploring some more operators. So please be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss any updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.